Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your keyboard typing double characters or letters with a single key press.
Let's get started.
First, open your control panel.
You can do this by typing control panel in the search bar and clicking on the app.
Once the control panel is open, click on Hardware and Sound. In the Hardware and Sound menu, click on Ease of Access.
This will take you to the Ease of Access Center.
In the Ease of Access Center, click on Make the keyboard easier to use. Scroll down and find the Turn on Filter Keys option. Check this box to enable filter keys, which helps control the keyboard repeat rate.
After checking the box, click on Apply to save the changes. And that's it. You successfully fixed the issue of single keys typing double characters on your keyboard. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel.